Hello. As many of you starting off on any endeavor, I am a newbie at welding, so I went to YouTube and saw what was going on out there, and there was several mentions of a basically a third hand type tool that has a hook and a weighted mechanism. So basically it allows you to hold your piece into position while you tack weld it. And I decided to improve on that a little bit. I had a spare drill chuck here so that I could change this out if it gets burned up or wants some other shape for whatever reason. And it was basically a welding project in itself. I took a broken breaker bar, cut it into two pieces and welded them together, and then I used a grinder and a strip sander to turn this side into a slag hammer to remove the slag after your welds. So thank you for watching.